Is how I do my mashed potato. So here, I have at least 4 to 5 pieces medium potato, cut, sliced and boiled. It's very simple. Have to mash. We are going to put a butter. So as much as that, and then we are going to combine them. After the butter, we are going to put a bit of milk, around maybe 1/4 cup of milk. I just estimate everything. Fresh milk, we're using fresh milk here. Now to mash it properly, the more air you put in your mashed potato, in the potato, the more it becomes better. The more the air will come into, the more your mashed potato will be perfect. To add cream cheese. So I usually use Philadelphia cream cheese. This, right, as much as that, and mash it again to combine, or simply you can use your spatula. Perfect. So that's how I do my mashed potato. Simple.